Hello friends, today we are going to discuss question 33 of SOM series. If you have not watched my earlier video, then you can go in the description and watch my video. And before watching this video, make sure that you have watched my video on how to find arc length, that is part 3 of SOM series. You can find the link in the description and watch that video first before watching this video. In our last lecture, we discussed question 32 of SOM series, that is question. If you want to watch this question, then you can find the link in description. Today we will solve question 33. So question 33 is find the length of the arc. Arc is 6xy is equal to x raised to 4 plus 3 from x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 2. Limit are given from x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 2. We know that formula of arc length L is equal to integration from a to b under root of 1 plus dy upon dx whole square into dx. This is the formula of arc length. Let's convert the equation of curve into form of y. So y is equal to x raised to 4 plus 3 upon 6x. That is equal to x cube upon 6 plus 1 upon, here will get cancelled, so it will be 2x. Now we have to find dy upon dx. So dy upon dx is equal to, here it will be derivative of 3x square upon 6 with respect to dx will be 3x square upon 6, and here it will be x raised to minus 1. So minus 1 will come ahead into x raised to minus 1 minus 1. So x raised to minus 2. That is equal to x square by 2 minus 1 upon 2x square. So this we got dy upon dx. Now find dy upon dx whole square. So dy upon dx whole square is equal to square this term. Let's take out 1 upon 2 outside. So 1 upon 2 whole square into x square minus 1 upon x square whole square. That is equal to 1 upon 2 whole squares. So it will be 1 upon 2 square into, solving this term we get x square minus 2ab, 2 into x square into 1 upon x square plus it is a minus b whole square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. So it will be square. So dy upon dx whole square is equal to 1 upon 4 is outside. Here it will be x raised to 4. And let's write this term before, plus 1 upon x raised to 4. Here x square will get cancelled. So it will be, here it is minus 2. So it will be minus 2. Now let's divide 4 inside. So it will be x raised to 4 by 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4 minus 1 by 2. Now dy upon dx whole square plus 1, add 1. So we get x raised to 4 upon 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4. Adding 1 to this, minus 1 by 2 plus 1 will be plus 1 by 2. So now we got this form, and this form is related to this. So we have to convert this in form of square, because here it's integration and its root. So for doing integration we have to remove the root. So we have to convert this into form of x square. So we know that 2 into x square upon 1 upon x square is equal to, into 1 upon 4 was outside, this is equal to plus 1 by 2. So if we add here plus, so here we will get plus. So this will be 1 upon 2 square into x square plus 1 upon x square whole square. This is dy upon dx whole square plus 1. Now we have to just simply integrate this term. So now integration L is equal to integration, limit are from 1 to 2. So under root of, now put this term directly, because we have find dy upon dx whole square plus 1 we have already found, into dx. So it will be 1 upon 2 square into x square plus 1 upon x square whole square. Now taking root we will get 1 upon 2 outside, integration from 1 to 2, and here also square will get cancelled, so it will be root will be removed. So there will be only x square plus 1 upon x square into dx. Now integrate this term. So we get L is equal to 1 upon 2. Integration of x square is x cube by 3. And integration of 1 upon x square is x raised to minus 2 plus 1. It will be minus 1 minus 2 plus 1. Limit are from 1 to 2. Now put the limit. So we get 2 cube by 3. Here it will be minus and here it will be 1 upon 2. Upper limit minus lower limit. When we put lower limit we will get 1 by 3. And when we will put here 1 we will get minus 1. Now solve this, we get 1 upon 2. 8 by 3 minus 1 by 2 plus here it will be minus 1 by 3 and here it will be plus 1. That is equal to 1 by 2. 8 minus 1, 7 by 3. And minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Now take the LCM, we get 1 upon 2, 7 to 14, 7 to the 14 plus 3, 17 by 6. That is equal to 17 by 12. So 17 by 12 is our answer. I hope you understood this question. If you really like, then please do like and subscribe to my channel. Also press the notification bell for latest video. If you have any doubt, then let me know in the comment section given below. Thank you.